Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a guy from green eggs and ham. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes first. So we're going to draw in the bottom of his eyes. It's going to be two little curves on the bottom. And then once you have that, just draw kind of a half circle right over it. Okay, so that's going to be the eye shape, and then to finish it out, right inside here I'm going to draw another half circle, just closer to the middle. And then from there I'm going to draw in two circles inside, and this is going to be my highlight. And I'll just shade around it. That should give us the eyes. Alright, so after his eyes, let's draw his nose. So right in the middle right here, let's draw one little bump. And then from the corners here, just curve all the way out. And then for his lip shape here, right in the middle, you can come down past this point here. You make a little point. And then I'm going to curve toward this point here. So just kind of dip it down a little bit and just go back up. Okay, so that's going to be the upper lip, and then for the bottom, this one's easy. Just one big curve all the way around. And then for the tongue inside, come back to the middle. You can make a little point, and then just draw two little humps. Okay, and then right in the center here, we can draw in some of the fur. Just a little zigzag. Okay, so let's continue on with the head. So let's draw the side of the face here, right on the side of the eyes. Just gonna curve out on both sides. So his fur is gonna be going out. And then just come back in toward this part here. And then one more little strand, just dip it down. So we're right around here. And then to finish his face here, just curve all the way around. Same curve as the lip. And then right around here, just gonna dip it down to a corner here. So this is gonna be part of his neck. Alright, and then right here, a couple of curves, and then now let's go up and draw in the eyebrows right here. So right above the eyes, just gonna draw two curves right over it first. And then from there, I'm gonna give it some thickness here. So start in the corner, just kind of flare out. And if it's not closed already, just close it with a little angle here. And that's kind of hard to see right there. Alright, so before we do the hat, let's finish up the, I think this is his ear hanging down from the side here. So just right on the side, just draw like almost like a little teardrop shape. Alright, so now let's go up and draw his hat. So for his hat right here, I'm going to draw one big curve right over the eyebrows. Just kind of dip it down and go back up. And then from here in the corner, just curve it into the head. And then right here, just go up. So I give this line some thickness here. Okay, so now for the top of this very strange looking hat. So we're gonna start out right around here. We'll just go up on both sides, just kind of pinch it in. And then from this line here, just one big hump, just leave this space open. And then now right in the middle here, draw one big hump, and then come to the bottom here, draw another one on the bottom. Alright, and then for the little strange, I don't know what kind of shape this is. So right in the middle here, just come out and just draw like a little angle like this first. And then now just kind of go up and then just bracket, come back down into the hat. Okay, so this part's gonna go down, and this one's gonna go up. Alright, so that's this very strange looking hat, and now let's move on to the body. So this body is very easy to draw. For the patch of fur right here, just come out to the side. Let's draw like a little bracket coming down. So this is gonna be his shoulders. And then right here, I'm just gonna curve in toward the center. So this is almost like a little heart shape. Alright, so let's draw in this arm, and I'm gonna have it kind of raised up. So here's his shoulder. You come down, here's his armpit. From the top here, I'm just gonna curve. And then I'm gonna curve all the way up. Just turn it up. This is gonna be his wrist. Okay, from here, just come across. This one's gonna be pretty straight, just come all the way down here. I'm gonna add a couple of zigzags. So that's gonna be his elbow. And then whatever space you have here, just connect it. Alright, so that's his arm, and then for his hand, right here, I'm gonna start on this side, continue to curve. So now I'm gonna come across and draw his thumb, so just leave a little bit of space right here. Just come across, just one little hook. And then for the palm here, just one little curve. Okay, and so that's his thumb, and then for his finger here, just continue to curve, just go all the way up, and then come back down into the thumb. Okay, so that's one finger, and then for the other one right here, it's gonna be behind the thumb here. So just start right behind the thumb, just one little curve, and it's gonna go behind the little tip here, just curve it in. And then one more, just curve it all the way around. And then to finish up the palm, just one curve to the wrist, just close everything off. Okay, so that's one of his arms. And then now let's draw in its body. So this one's gonna be folding down, so it's a lot easier to draw. So here's the armpit, here's the shoulder. So we're drawing the body first. So we're gonna just curve down and out. Just curve all the way down. This is gonna go all the way down to his foot. And then from here, just come across. And then draw like a U shape going up. Okay, so those are his legs. And then for his foot, I'm just gonna continue this line, just come down. And then this one's gonna go out. So just flare out. And then here I'm gonna connect them just using a curve. Just go up, close it nice and sharp. Okay, just come out. Just one big curve, nice and sharp on the tip. And then we'll add in a little line here for the toes. Alright, so those are his legs, and it's very easy to draw. So now to finish up the arm, so I'm gonna start in the armpit area. It's gonna curve all the way down here. It's gonna be at the wrist. Come back up here. Let's come down, make it a little bit skinnier right here. Alright, and then for his hand, this one's easy. Just one little hook for the thumb. Curve down. And then here's the back of the hand. Just curve all the way down and then connect up the fingers nice and sharp. And then the inside, we're gonna draw one more, just one little hook. Alright, so that is it for this guy am I. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.